Hello, I am Yvonne DeCellis. I'm trying very hard to be audible. I have a microphone that I'm using that actually looks like a microphone. Trying to keep it nearby so that you guys can hopefully hear me, guys and gals. Anyway, pardon the bedhead and everything, but I just wanted to do another video. I'm going to be going away this weekend to help my mother out, so wanted to do the video while I could before I went. And this is sort of a request, kind of, from a friend of mine, a relative of mine, who's having hard times with their blood pressure going up when they are stressed out. So I'm just going to show you two really quick things you can do, maybe three if I have time. Things you can do to calm down when you're in a stressful situation or in a panic situation. The first thing I'm going to show you is an eyebrow ridge exercise. And when I say eyebrow ridge, it's about an inch over your eyebrow, and it's almost completely parallel to where your eyebrows are. Again, it's just about an inch over. You could pretty much feel it. It's a little notch over your eyebrow. I'm also trying to keep my computer, my MacBook, from falling asleep on me. It's got this weird habit of falling asleep while it's still recording. So if I start going nuts on this computer, that's why. As is what's happening right now, like an Xfinity hotspot notes coming up. I don't know why, but anyway, to get on with it, let me just go through some logistics and then I'll go over the exercises, and when I have time I will put in a table of contents and I'll also put in subtitles in case this is not audible. I'm going to move this out of the way. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the eyebrow notch exercise, and bear in mind, it's very hard to get rid of whatever's causing your stress. I wish I could help you with that. But as I've said before, if I could help make the things that are causing the stress to go away, I'd probably be a multimillionaire. So I wish I could help you get rid of that stress-causing issue, but I'm hoping that I can at least help you control how you react to whatever's making you stress out. The other thing, too, is remembering to do these things when you're stressing or panicking, and which is something I've had trouble with myself. If I find myself freaking out or panicking, this eyebrow ridge exercise does help me out. But like I said, the problem is actually remembering that this is in your health toolkit. So, sorry again for the air quotes, but the only thing I can think of to do is do the air quotes when I do something that's cliche or say something that feels cliche. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. Really, really happy you're here, and I hope you will be back. And if you're not new, if you're a subscriber, or if you've seen my videos before, as always, thank you so much, because you have put me on the map and you've helped me monetize my channel. All that said, let me just show you the two exercises. The very first one, if you have time and you're not so stressed out that you can't do this, rub your hands together to warm them up. But if you don't have time for this, or if you don't think of this, this is not a mandatory step. But what you want to do is cover your eyebrow ridges up, which, as I said, is about an inch over your eyebrows. You want to put your hands on either side of your forehead. You can either have your thumbs up or out of the way, or you can put them on your temples. The most important thing is that you cover up your eyebrow ridges with your index to pinky fingers. And my Mac is starting to fall asleep on me right now. So again, you want to just hold your hands on your eyebrow ridges, make sure they're covered. You can have them a little bit under, a little over. Most important thing is that the eyebrow ridges are covered. Hold them here, and let's just take a couple of deep in and out breaths, if possible, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Most important thing, though, is that you have your tongue touching the roof of your mouth right behind your top row of teeth. So let's once again do this. Hands on the forehead, breathe in and out. By the way, the sound you make when you breathe out is up to you. You can make a ha sound, you can do a whooshing sound, or you don't have to make any noise at all. Do whatever feels natural to you. So let's just do one more in and out. In and out. So that is the very first one. The eyebrow ridge exercise is a very quick and easy way of just helping yourself calm down when you're really stressed or panicked. This next one is known as a triple warmer smoothie. I don't know if that's what Donna Eden named this exercise or if it already had this name. I prefer to call it triple warmer smoother or soother, only because whenever I say triple warmer smoothie, people think I'm talking about a beverage, which is the same thing I thought. When I saw the name triple warmer smoothie, I thought smoothie, that's a drink. So I call it the triple warmer soother. This one, it is a good idea again if you get your hands warm ahead of time, but like I said, if you're too stressed out to even think about doing this, you don't have to. But what you want to do is breathe in and put your hands over your eyes. You don't have to touch, you just want to keep them so that they're no further than 1 to 3 inches away from your face. So put them over your eyes, breathe in. And on the out breath, bring your hands back, just drag back up and over your ears, and then just scrub down behind. Go down your neck with the scrubbing motion. And then when you get to your torso, just hang on to your upper back. I should try to move my hair out of the way. Hang on to your upper back on both sides. Press in kind of hard with your fingers. Let your elbows hang down. And then breathe in. And slide your hands down crisscross over your heart chakra and just hold them here. And that's the whole move. So I'm going to do this one more time with the breathing. So again, breathe in. Hands over the eyes. Breathe in again. And then on the next inhale, bring your hands back over the ears and scrub down the neck. Hang off the torso. In, and then on the out breath, put them over your heart. And just hold on to your heart chakra. And you can keep your hands here for as long as you want. This is a good spot to end this exercise. If you want, you can throw in the triple warmer rub here, but Donna Eden said it's a good idea to keep your hands here and just hold it here for as long as you feel comfortable doing this. And then when you're done, you can let go and just rub your hands together and shake them off to let go of any negative energy you may have picked up unwittingly doing this exercise. So I'm going to end this here. I really do hope this was helpful for you. I'm going to just grab the microphone because, again, I know the closer I am to this, the more audible I will be, hopefully. Thank you, as always, for your time. I will be back in about a week. But once again, I thank you, and I do hope that was helpful for you. If it was helpful, please share it with others you think it might help, or let me know down in the comments below. Any sort of interaction is very much appreciated. As always, thank you so, so much for your time. Peace and light. Namaste. Cheers. And thanks again for your time. Bye-bye. I'll see you guys again next week. Cheers.